Get the ball. Get the ball. Ooh, so aesthetic. Yeah, oh. Pretty. Yeah. What are you drinking?
Everybody sings to women.
Fun.
I mean his mermaid.
Yes.
A little bit upward from my hip.
Guys, we're playing volleyball. Well, they are.
You're hitting it down.
Okay, guys, can you like not interrupt it? Get the ball.
Right, come on. Come on. Out.
Bro,
We're so good, guys.
we're so good.
We're so good.
We're show your eyes. Girl.
No.
Oh, that's where's the ball?
Over there. Where was the four?
Oh, and fetch.
Oh, and that's your job. Go.
Hot.
Oh, he got the ball. Oh, down.
That's beach vlog. Smash that like on it.
Smash it.
What's up, Jake Pollers?
Oh. Okay. Bro, why'd you? He's got it. She got it? Oh, okay. What's going on?
I'm not taking this. Get out on your side.
Alright, guys, come on.
Oh my god, it's so sunny.
Are you guys still playing? Cha. Cha. What are you doing?
Oh, you had those? Give me some.
Hello? Our tidy little spot.
Yeah, tiny.
It is very so adorable. Say hi. What's that? Where'd you get it from?
Hi.
Hello.
Where's the fit from?
The fit is, I don't know, I've had this for like a year.
Alright, cool. I'm always doing this. Okay, fit from where? From where?
From where?
From
Pennies.
where? Pennies and top?
Pennies.
Boyfriend from where?
Cambodia.
Fit from where?
My room.
Ash.
Yeah.
Top from where? TK Maxx.
Yeah.
Trousers from where?
I don't know, panties maybe.
Okay. Oh, okay. Back to being lovey-dovey again.
No. I'll win. I'll win.
Okay. They just had a... Ah! Why are you pushing me?
Get serious. Owen, your job. Owen.
Go, ball boy. Bro. Oh, that's... And... Oh. Those two are like, they're enemies. She hates him, he hates her, and she loves both of them. Oh, what the? What? Why do you hate Owen?
He stinks.
Why do you hate Ash?
Because she's stupid. He eats too much. You're big and fat because you eat too much as well.
He's ginger.
Yeah, it was true.
Yeah, but he's dyed ginger. He's voluntarily ginger. Is that worse? Yes.
He stole my girlfriend from me.
He did.
Yeah.
Why do you guys keep hitting each other?
I'll save you from that demon.
Oh, Kaden, you're... Okay. It's okay. It's fine. Oh, there's so much sand on his ass. Oh! Diddly besties. Oh. You, bro, there's so much sand. Oh, yeah.
Versus Australia.
Cambodia.
You've heard of me.
Besties! Yeah, not tough.
Time's it.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't freaking
Yeah, our whole group are just hanging out without us and just leaving us out.
They did this at the start of the trip as well.
Yeah.
Can't believe this. It's shocking behavior.
Owen has been eliminated from the beach.
Okay, why did they keep talking about Owen? Hey, they're doing the strawberry thingy. Where? Bro, where's the chocolate? So, it's good? Yummy? Okay, I'm gonna try. I want it to focus. That looks amazing. Guys, look how tidy we are.
I just spilled. I don't think I'm gonna go to the chip.
I will.
Good?
What time is it?
Okay, it's good. Yummy. Cold. Dude, you're literally wearing this and it's literally so freaking hot. I'm so cold. And they're just cuddling. Just go to the bathroom. Yes, girl.
Back in time.
Back in time.
Cute. Oh, I thought you
Bathroom time done.
Bathroom time? Finished.
What are you doing?
Are they dancing?
Little kid, I keep doing that.
Name's changing everywhere.
Why are they swinging their arms around?
Why does he keep doing it? Is she gonna get on him? Oh, okay. What are you doing? He's going. Check.
Oh my god, almost fell.
What are they doing?
Guys, what are you guys doing?
What do you think?
I don't know. Cause you guys were like jumping and stuff.
For your arms, Jack.
Oh! This is so much easier than when I tried to bury Caden.
Okay, are you saying I'm fat?
Yeah.
That you're having a very interesting area.
So aesthetic.
Yeah.
Put your head down.
This is so cute. Awesome.
Stop breathing.
Stop breathing.
This is my design.
Oh my, what the? That's so. What are you making? Are you making food? Guys, don't forget the thingy. Don't.
Hi.
What are they doing to you?
Fuck. Help.
What is bro doing?
I actually can't move
Oh wait,
my
what are you
arms.
doing?
Yes, that's good. I mean, his mermaid arms. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna carve. Let's give him mermaid arms.
Mermaid arms.
Slap so I can feel. That's like a little bit upward from my hip.
Wait, someone needs to carve out the other side. No, I did. No, it's not carved enough. Let the artist do his work. Michelangelo over here.
Artist. What is bro doing?
Do you like the tail on there?
It's very nice to have.
Oh my god, why is it so big right there? I should look from here.
Ow, my eye can't get out.
Wait, what are you doing?
That was just my hand.
Sorry, I kind of don't know where you are.
Oh wait, why are you doing
Feel
this?
directly.
So sad.
So, Sinash, how do you feel, Jeff?
I feel like a pretty princess.
Michelangelo is not.
Michelangelo is not real.
You got nothing on us.
Got nothing on us.
I feel awesome.
Right beside something.
What? Say what?
His name finger. He probably meant to put it there.
No.
You need to get off.
I can't open my eyes.
You need to get off.
Yeah, no, you get.
Pull him off.
It's
Get
okay.
off. It's time.
Photo's been
It's
taken.
time. It's time to get up. Whoa!
The data fell off.
The tits! Bro, just get up. Jack, get up.
There's so much sand on me that won't happen. I know because of the sand on me.
Girl, what are you doing?
No, we have to give him a 6-pack.
From one side?
I'm a master at work.
Oh, hell nah.
Get off.
Oh, get off. Oh, he's up. Oh. Bro, look at the back of his head. Wait, so that... Dude, turn around. There's so much in the back. California woman.
California girl.
Say that for with my drink and my cardigan. What are you drinking? Yeah. this is all. Everybody feels so famous. Guys, come on. Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Over again, don't make me change my mind. Oh. And bro's having his main character moment. She's chilling, looking cute. Chilling. And speaker.
Got towels in the shade, and then when we get sick of the shade, we're gonna go to the sun.
Okay, everyone's just lying down. Main character.
You're having deep thoughts about the past.
That's okay. And look at the beach. Yeah.
Not good enough for you?
And bro's out.
I see how it is.
Bro's out.
What?
Chips. All right, we're going. We're getting chips.
Can you get me one? Can I steal your sliders?
Going
on. Yeah.
Girls. Okay, we're getting chips.
Oh, you called the jock.
Oh, he's getting.
Time.
Oh, you're coming. Oh.
Food time.
He's coming. She's coming. She's coming.
No.
What's going on? Oh. Ooh, so aesthetic. Yeah. Oh. Bro, can not. Whatever. Hey. Rebecca and Owen left.
They left.
Fakers. Owen called me and asked if I called him. Ooh. Alright, bro didn't get her chippies. Guys, so it wasn't open. Someone told us that there's a lot of chippies here, but there's one and it's closed. Only one. So we're gonna walk to the shop instead. Hi, baby. Oh. Pretty. Pretty. And then there's him walking a lonely road.
He's having his main character.
Lonely road.
Don't know where it goes, but it's all by myself.
Don't wanna be all by myself. He is the main character. He is. His social battery ran out. He's still in his fields.
That's the way, I like it,
Bro, where's... Waiting for bro. Oh, there's Jack. Your social battery ran out?
My social battery ran out.
You gotta put your head up.
You should put your hood up.
Yeah.
My social battery ran out.
What is up, guys? Welcome to my vlog on getting food. I'm nearly at the shop, as you can tell. I'll keep you posted. Hey guys, just update here. The shop was closed. What is up, guys? Welcome to vlog number 5. Oh yeah, I'm about to meet back up with gang. I see them in the horizon.
Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon, watch all my other videos, and remember,
stay slimy.
This is the end.
The end. We spent a lot of time in the water.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
The others are... Where are they?
Back there.
Back-
oh my god,
back
my
there.
mascara at my eyes. Oh my god.
Anyway, we'll make another video later. Maybe. Alright, bye.
Until next time.
Bye.